What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana, which has taken a little bit of a drop in the last 24 hours, nothing major, just about 1% down, and currently trading at just above $13. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to drop further? Should you wait until investing into it for it to drop below the $10 mark? Should you invest into it right now? Should you sell it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and overall in 2023, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, especially for those of you who are looking to buy it. Obviously you don't want to buy it when it's high, you want to buy it when it's low. So when is the good time to buy and invest into the crypto, and essentially looking at its predictions and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So on the Coinbase website, we can see the market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Yes, hit the red side for the first time in 2023. It's been 6 days, so yeah, fair enough, guys. And it's not that much of a drop anyway. It's just about 0.5%, so yeah. And we got Solana dropped about 1% over the last hour. Even though it has gained nearly 2% in value, overall it is still down. As you can see, it was trading at just about $13.78, and right now has dropped, well, we saw it drop down to below the $13 mark earlier today, but it is slowly starting to recover. Over the week, a massive 37% up, and over the month it is still down nearly 6%. And as you can see, it's been very volatile over the last 4 weeks, but overall at the moment we are slowly starting to recover. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can also see the trading volume has dropped by 16% in the last 24 hours, making it $545 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. But again, the trading volume has gone down only because it has taken a little bit of a drop, so most people are just holding on to it right now rather than selling it or buying it. It hasn't dropped that much for people to be buying it, and it hasn't, you know, gained any value for people to be selling it. So the only option right now is to be holding on to it, and hence why the trading volume has gone down by quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Solana at $11.62. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in green at $13.19, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I will move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So yes, guys, gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting an overall minimal gain in value on Solana, potentially heading to about the $14 mark is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Is going to be quite volatile, and again, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles, even though it has been over the last 2.5 hours. Over the next 7-8 hours, I'm expecting it to drop a little below the $13 mark and then gain value up and down, but the overall outcome, we should be closer to the $14 mark by the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more mixed signals here. We've got the blue line going in a bullish direction and the orange line heading towards a bearish direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Solana over the coming days. So let's say by end of next week, I'm expecting Solana to be trading between $13 and $13.50. And again, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently staying at its current price range for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is going to drop, it is going to peak. We are going to have green and red days. It's going to be quite mixed, but again moving towards the positive direction, and then towards mid to end of next week we should see it dropping down back to around the $13 mark is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we're still looking bullish, still looking positive, so my predictions on the next couple of weeks have not changed. As you can see, we are still looking positive, so yes, more gains in value are expected. By late February to early March we should be trading nearly hitting about the $20 mark, or just above the $20 mark is what my predictions are. However, as I keep mentioning, it depends on how the crypto market performs in general. With any major crashes, major bull runs, price pumps, these things have a major impact in a positive or negative way on the crypto market, which will of course impact the value of Solana as well. So anything like that which I can predict, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we've got quite a long way to go to hit the resistance target to get into the green line, which is $62.81, and at the moment we are trading at $13, meaning we're going to have to go for approximately a 200 to 300% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Solana anytime soon. So for the next 3 to 4 months it's very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we can slowly and steadily head into the green zone and head upwards towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But so far red zone it is, and potentially for the second half of the year we should be trading in the green zone and maybe heading into the dark green zone towards Q4 of 2023. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Solana, which I will be doing, so make sure you stay subscribed for regular updates on Solana. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. So the main question, as you may have seen in the thumbnail, is can it drop down to $5? I don't think it will, guys. Personally, 2023 should be bullish compared to how last year was, so hopefully we should see more green candles and more pumps rather than crashes. But again, I do not think that it is likely to head down to $5, potentially down to about $8 to $9 minimum is where I'm expecting Solana to be heading to. But $5 is a bit too low and I'm not expecting it to hit that. But if it does, then it is a very, very good buying price, unless of course it crashes all the way down to zero. Then of course it's not something like Terra Luna. If hopefully that doesn't happen to Solana. But again, $5, if it does not crash, then yes, it is a very, very good buying price, and I will be buying into it if it does drop that to that amount. But again, yeah, I'm not expecting it to drop all the way down to $5. Potentially $8 to $9 is where I'll say the bottom is for Solana. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know your expectations, your predictions, and what is the highest figure Solana can hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.